Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in a previous video, we will working on the encrypt file handler. So we will continue to work on the this encrypt file handler function. So let's get started. So first, uh, now in the step 4, we will encrypt the file using the file path assets temp file out and with dot create file path also need to import the OS if and if it is basically not encrypted the file successfully, then I think we just need to go with error creating file. http status internal server error, and simply we will return here. Now we will again, therefore we will use out.close and then simply we will ensure the file is closed after the copying the data to it using the file. Ensure the file is closed after the copying the data it using the io.copy. So that is the reason we will write here. So this is the where specified the file path where the file uploaded file will be temporarily saved. We will remove it, this one, where the uploaded file will be temporarily stored. Then step 5, we will simply encrypting the file using the we will simply call the encrypt file function to encrypt the file stored at the file path using the generated encryption key. So step 5, encrypting the file. Encrypted file. Encryption. Encrypt file. File path key is error. TTP error. And simply we will return this code. Then afterwards, so basically it will call the encryption.encrypt file to encrypt the file stored at the file path using the generated encryption key. If there is an error during the encryption, then it return the internal server error. Now we will simply set the content type application, and here we will use the application OCT ET stream. Application OCT ET stream. Set the response the content type and write the encrypted file using the response writer. So w dot write response, not a response writer, it is a encrypted file. Here write function ensure that that encrypted file write into the response using the response writer. Then afterwards we will simply log our message. So for that we need to one more folder create here. That is called the utilities for logging our messages. So create one more folder, utils, and under inside the utils folder simply create sample file which is called the utils.go package utils import log function log request message string print and back to the encrypt file handler and simply import here log request file encrypted and sent successfully. So step 6, send the encrypted file to the client. So we have done this encrypt file handler function. Now we will start writing the code for the decrypt file handler. So first we need to check whether method is HTTP post or not. Method post HTTP dot error invalid request method HTTP status method not allowed, and simply return. Then key manager dot generate key for dynamically creating the key if we are facing some issue during the key generation, then it will simply execute this block. Invalid request method HTTP status method not allowed. Return. Then afterwards we will retrieve the uploaded file name from the HTTP request form data. So whenever we are making the request as a post, at that time we will attach the form data with the file name using the key name file. So it will retrieves from the HTTP request form data. Mm, if error TCP error error reading file HTTP status bad request return it, import the fmt package here, and simply refer file dot close. Now save the uploaded file temporarily on the server. File path encrypted file path is error http error w authentic print as error saving file error block and http dot status internal server error and simply return. Now we will close so defer file dot close ensure that file is closed after the function exit. And same thing here also, ensure that file is closed after the function exit, and we will simply copies the content of the uploaded file to the newly created file out. So io dot copy, we need to import here OS as well as I think OS is fine, but undefined IO. Okay. We need to check encrypt handler. Yes, IO we need to import here. IO. Now done. Now we will read the content of the temporarily save encrypted file into the memory. So read the content of the temporarily saved encrypted file into memory. Encrypted file os.read file while path is error http:// empty screen tab file return just before that I think we will miss some steps. So first we need to make sure that retouch the uploaded file from the http request using the uh, post method, and same thing, we have implemented an encrypt handler. Same thing we have to use. So this step we need to copy, paste here. Okay, in encrypting file we are using the key, and okay, so now this step is done. Now specified the path where the uploaded file will be temporarily saved. So what we can do here, it is so basically here we need to specify the path where the uploaded file will be temporarily saved. So file path, yes, that is perfectly giving the suggestion. Is dot create file path. If error, then simply we will simply return it. Print apps backward IO dot. Okay, this step is already there. Sorry, this step is there, but thing is, okay, so this step is coming after the this step. And why it is getting this error? We are not facing this error here, but this error is facing. Uh, it's okay. Now I think now it's done. Basically, basically we will read the content of the temporarily saved encrypted file into the memory, and if an error occurs, then it is simply return the internal server error message 500 status. And now we will work on that decrypted part also. So decrypt the file using the key. So what we can do here, it is decrypted file error block also there. So that is the reason we will define here error variable decrypted file, not this one. Decryption we will use decryption. Decrypt the file, encrypted file with key. And please make sure that this package you need to import here. Now this print written here, and now we will simply write the content type, content type application OCTET, right, decrypted file, and simply log our request file decrypted and sent successfully. So I think we have done this code, decrypt file handler. Now we will check whether app it is perfectly working or not. So open the terminal and run. Okay, we will facing this error in encrypt file. What is this? Syntax error and unexpected, expected, comma. Okay, fine here. So I think here we are made some mistake. Read. Mm, Okay. I think it is done. Stream related thing done. Let's see whether app is running successfully or not. Yeah, I think now it is perfectly working. Server spelling is wrong. Server. We will take some 5 minutes break. So yeah, now I come back and let's open the Postman and see the testing. So basically, now we will open the Postman. So go now, create one folder, collection, and collection name is encryption, decryption files. Create one HTTP request. Encryption. And now make the post request and HTTP local host 8080, and first we will test our API with the post request. Go to body, go to form data, and use the key name as a file. Choose the drop down here as a file, and select one of the file from the local machine. So I will select that one pop-up. It is opening, but right now it is not showing in the live session, so that is the reason. But you can create one file, and what you can do, I think here it is not showing pop-up, so we will select only text file. So create the one file that is called the .txt file. Mm, and So this is the temporarily I have created notepad file. Here I will add the some content. Hello world. Giving the file name time.txt, and simply select here time.txt file and check whether it is working or not. Okay, now we need to check here. So it is throwing some error. Here you can see creating open the system cannot find the path specified. So in the next video we will test this API, and upcoming videos we will also working on the encrypt files that have a bunch of the files, and that is also created inside the folder. Each file it is encrypted and decrypted very easily. So we will work on that part. So see you in next video. If you like this content, please subscribe my video channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and hit the bell icon. So see you later.